So, you guys had your chance on Malcolm in Africa. You blew it. Malcolm X has moved from being a ghetto domestic threat of limited consequence to a man of international influence. He's speaking at the fucking UN, for Christ's sake. The FBI is not equipped to handle the ramifications. Just stick to catching bank robbers. How's that? The Castro thing going? You blow up any cigars lately? Let's look at it this way. The director of the FBI, Mr. Hoover, answers to the Attorney General. When the CIA calls President Johnson, he's taking a shit. He picks up before he wipes his ass. The battle's mine right now. I'm sorry if that creates a nuisance. I have photographs of your boss, J. Edgar, wearing an Edith overall summer dress and a crooked blonde wig. I want Jose Bell out of jail.